Hi everyone. Today's topic is simple equations. Simple equations. Guys, you will come across so many types of equations. Okay, so simple equations are nothing but it's a kind of an equation where you need to figure it out. Yeah, let me let's say 2x plus 4 is equals to 9. Okay, so you need to figure it out what is x. So x is equals to, you can say 9 minus 4 is 5 by 2. So x is equals to what here? 5 by 2. Okay, if you want to get into simple equation, first you should know what you mean by equation. Equation means any open sentence which contain an equality sign is called an equation. Okay, any open sentence which contain an equality sign, it's called what? Equation. Let's say 2x square plus 4y less than or equal to 0. This is called an equation? No. This is what? Inequation. 2x square plus 4y, no, is a 0. This is called an equation? No. So which contain an equality sign? It's called an what? Equation. There are two types of equations. First one is linear equation. Okay, what do you mean by linear equation? Okay, 2x plus 4 is equals to 26. Okay, so linear equation means the highest order of degree is 1, then it is called what? Linear equation. When the highest order of degree is 2, then it is called what? Quadratic equation. There will be linear equations of 1 or 2 unknowns invariably in every problem. Okay, a linear equation is one where which variable occurs only its first power, does not any highest power. So the point here is it's having only one highest power. One should be the highest power. Then only it is called linear equation. Okay. Sometimes we get three equations in three unknowns. In general, we need as many equations as variables we will have to solve for. So for solving the values of two unknowns, we need two equations. Okay, we need what? Two equations. We need three equations. We need to solve three variables. The most important part of the problem is framing an equation. Okay, once the equations are framed, solving them is very easy. In this chapter, we will deal with problems involving as many equations as the number of unknowns. Guys, the whole point is this: you should good with your equation. Okay, if you know the equation, the job is done. So after reading that particular equation, you are able to frame an equation. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate. Okay, solving them is very easy. Okay, if you once framed the equation, the job is very easy. In this chapter we will deal with problems involving as many equations as the number of unknowns. Later on, we'll look at equations of second degree. Second degree means what? Quadratic equations. Second degree means what? Quadratic equation. So you can write there are two types of equations, generally. So first one is linear equation. Okay, first one is what? Linear equations. Linear equations. And the second one is quadratic equations. Okay, quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Okay, quadratic equations. Okay, so guys, but in the topic here is simple equations. So in simple equations topic, we'll always end up with doing, yeah, simple equation will have what? Only one unique solution. Okay, simple equation will have what? Only one unique solution. Because if you find out, in the case of quadratic equation, if you find the roots, you will get two answers. Okay, you will get what? Two answers. You will get a positive value and you will get one negative value. Okay, one negative value. Okay, let's one equation, one known, one unknown. Let's say 2x plus 4 is equals to 26. Step number 1. Take all the quantities added to the x term, to the right hand side. So 2x, you can say 26 minus 4. So 2x, which is equals to 22. So from here x, you can say x is equals to what? 22 by 2. 22 by 2. So this is what, guys? One equation, one unknown, one unknown, one equation, one unknown. When there are two equations, okay, when there are two equations and two unknowns, how we are going to solve this? Let's take an equation, 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 8, 5x plus 4y, which is equals to 13. You need to figure it out, what is x and what is y. Okay, so this is called a system of simulation of equations of two variables. Here we have two variables x and y whose values we need to find out. This can be done using two given equations. Simply we can do, sorry, this is x. Okay, eliminate x, get y. Or so if I want to solve this particular equation, okay, then what is the procedure? So first equation multiply with what? 5, and the second equation is multiply with what? Yeah, if I multiply my first equation with 5 and second equation with the 2, then what is the new equation? 10x plus 15y, which is equals to 8 5s are 40. Here also 10x plus 8y, which is equals to 13 2s are what? 26. Yes or no? Let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, so if I subtract, what I'm going to get here? 15 minus 8. Okay, 15 minus 8, 7y, which is equals to, so what is the difference here? What is the difference here? 24? No, 14 is the difference. Then y is equals to what? 2. So substitute y in first in actual equations, any of the equation, you will get what here? So 2x plus 3y, which is equals to 8. So 2x plus 3 into y, which is equals to, y means what? 2. 8. So 2x is equals to 8 minus 6. Then 2x is equals to 2. Then x is equals to what, guys? 1. Okay, x is equals to what? 1. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to what? 2. Once you got x is equals to y and y is equals to 2, you need to figure it out, what is x and what is y. What is x and what is y. Okay, so this is how you have to solve your equations. Okay, when there are two unknowns and two equations are given. Okay, so this is how, guys, trust me, this is all about making an equation. So once you make your equation, your job is done. So let's get into the questions. Write down question number 1. The sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 55. Find the product of their extremes. Okay. Yeah. So the sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is what? 55. Okay, the sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is what? 55. Guys, generally the first odd number is 1, next odd number is what? 3, next odd number is what? 4. 5 plus 2 only, 1 plus 2 only 3, 3 plus 2 only 5. So odd numbers or even numbers differ by what? 2. Let's say first odd number is x. So next odd number is what? X plus 2. Next odd number is what? X plus 4. Next odd number is what? X plus 6. Next odd number is what? X plus 8. If I add all these 5 numbers, what I am getting here? I am getting is what? 55. So if you add it, you are going to get 5x plus 20, which is equals to 55. Then 5x is equals to 35. Then x is equals to 35 by 5. That will give you what? 7. So you can say your first number is 7, second number is 9, next number is 11, next number is 13, next number is what? 15. So this is the first number, this is the last number. And you need what? Product of their extremes. What do you mean by extremes? This is a row. The first one and the last one are what? Extremes. So the product of extremes. Okay, product of extremes. So the product of extremes going to be 7 into 15. Okay, 15 sevens are how much? 105. 15 sevens are how much, guys? 105. So product of extremes. So extremes means 15, 7 into 15. 15 sevens is how much? 105. This is method 1. Everybody can solve, like this. So this is called what? Method 1. Please pause the video and try to copy this particular method. Okay. What is the other way around? Okay. Let's look at the second method. Yeah. Guys, he said there are 5 numbers. Okay. 5 numbers. Instead of assuming first number x, why can't I assume the middle number is x? Guys, if the middle number is x, before number is x minus 2. Next number is what? X plus 2. Okay, so before this number is what? X minus 4. Next number is what? X plus 4. While adding it, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. You can see it. Okay, so finally you left with what? 5x. Okay, so 5x is equals to the sum. So that will give you what? 55. Then x is equals to what? 11. So x is equals to what here? 11. So then you can say your middle number is 11. So before number is what? 11 minus 2, 9. Before number is what? 7. Next number is what? 13. Next number is what? 15. Okay, so the point here is this. Whenever there are odd number of numbers, okay, odd number of numbers, directly take the middle number. Once you know the middle number, your job is done. So please concentrate on the middle number. If you know the middle number, okay, your job is very, very easy. Okay, so directly, let's say there are 7 numbers. You can take directly 7x is equals to that particular sum. Okay, 7x is equals to 77. Then x is equals to what? 11. So you can extend your answer to, what? 5. And this is going to be 17. Okay. Whenever there are odd number of numbers, the job is very easy. Yeah, you may ask you, then how when in the time of even number? So you have to follow the procedure, because when you are taking an even number, there is no place where to take the middle number. Okay, so in this particular question you can take the middle number. So 5x is equals to 55, x is equals to what? So in this particular question, if middle number is equals to x, then the logic goes perfectly done their job. You can do it whatever you want. Okay, he may give, there are 7 odd numbers, 9 odd numbers, 3 odd numbers. No need of calculating x plus 2 kind of stuff. It may be for even numbers also, the logic goes same. It may be even number, it may be odd number, the logic remains the same. Okay, so what you need to understand here is, what is how the things going perfectly when you are taking odd number of numbers. Okay, odd number of numbers, the job is very easy. When there are even number of numbers, you have to follow the regular procedure. Okay, you have to follow the regular procedure. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Next question. Write down. The cost of 3 tables and 4 chairs is 2,500. Next. The cost of 4 tables and 3 chairs is 2,400. Find the cost of each table and each chair. Find the cost of each table and each chair. Okay, so let's see the solution. Let the cost of each table is, let the cost of each table is t. Okay, and let the cost of each chair is c. Okay, guys, I told you in the beginning of the session, it's all about making an equation. So read the statement and make an equation. So there are three tables, 3t, and four chairs, 4c, which is equals to 2500. 2500. Okay, next, the cost of four chairs and four tables, which is equals to 2400. 2400. Okay, 2400. So whatever you want, you can get it. So if you want to chair, okay, eliminate table. So eliminate, what you're going to do, eliminate table. Okay, so sorry, this is 3. Okay, this is what, 3. Yeah, so this is 3. So if you want to table, eliminate chair. Okay, so first equation is going to be multiplied with what, 3. Second equation is going to be multiplied with for 4. 3 3s are 90, 4 3s are 12c, 4 4s are 16t, plus 12c, which is equals to 2500 into 3, here 2400 into 3. So if I subtract it, it's going to be, so do 2 minus 1. Let's say this is equation 2, this is equation 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. So you will get, what you are going to get here, yeah, so 670, which is equals to, if you arrange this, you will get 2100 here. Then t is equals to what, 300. When t is equals to 3, calculate c. So if you calculate c, you will get what, 400. You will get what, 400. Okay, you will get what, guys, 400. Yes, this is a method 1. This is a where you can solve, the method 1. The way of solving method 1 is this. The method 2 is this. Look at the method 2. 95% people, try to solving in this way. Look at here. 3t plus 4c, which is equals to 2500. Okay, 4t plus 3c, 4t plus 3c, which is equal to 2400. Instead of multiplying with a number, why can't I add the two numbers? So you'll get 7t plus 7c, which is equals to 4900. If you take 7 as common, so t plus c is equals to again 4900. So you can say t plus c is equals to 700. Okay, c plus t is equals to what, 700. Okay, from the first equation, if you again, you can do it like, t plus c is equals to what, 700. Again, if you substitute there, okay, substituting equation 2, again you have to solve two equations. Again you end up with what you're going to end up with. Yeah, so t is equals to what, 300, and c is equals to what, guys, 400. Okay, okay, that's how you can end your answer. Okay, yeah. So answer for this question is what, 300 and 400. 300 and 400. Okay, 300 and 400. Okay, next question. Next question. The cost of 5 tables, 5 tables, the cost of 5 tables and 6 chairs, 6 chairs is 6 chairs is 1100. The cost of 5 tables and 6 chairs is 1100. Next, the cost of 6 tables and 5 chairs is 6 tables and 5 chairs is 2200. 2200. Find the cost of find the cost of find the cost of find the cost of each. Find the cost of each. Guys, find the cost of each means, I want t plus c. In this particular question, I don't want t and c individually. In earlier question, you want t and c individually. That's why you have to calculate individually. But in this question, what I want, again, I want t and c together. Like in the previous method, first equation multiply with 5, second equation multiply with 6, you can get your answer. But what you can get again the individual thing. But closely observe, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Instead of multiplying that, why can't you add it? So you will get 11t plus 11c, which is equals to, can I say, 3300. So if I took 11 as common, t plus c is equals to what? 3300. So you can say t plus c is equals to 3300 by what? 11. So 11, how many times? 11 3s, okay, 11 3s, so 300. So I want t plus c, I don't want individually. Okay, guys, trust me, 90% of the question he is going to ask you together only. Why he'll ask together? Because you know if I want x, I can calculate it, yes or no. If I want y, I can calculate. If I want a table, I can calculate. Eliminate the equation. Okay, you can eliminate the equations and you can get it. But the point here is what? You have to figure it out, the together value. When you can know the together value. So please understand, if you look at your diagonals are same. When your diagonals are same, trust me, 95% of the questions you can do just adding the two equations. No use of pen and paper. By looking at the equations, you can do it. Okay, so answer for this question is what, guys? 300. Answer for this question is what? 300. Next question. Next question. Please write down. Please write down. Next question. Next question. 4 pens and 5 erasers cost 32 rupees. 5 pens and 4 erasers cost 31 rupees. Find the cost of each pen. Yeah. So if you look at here, 4 pens and 5 erasers, cost is how much? 32. 5 pens and 4 erasers, cost is how much? 31. Okay, what is asking? Find the cost of each pen. You want pen, so eliminate what? Eraser. If you want to eliminate eraser, so first equation multiplied with what? 4. Second equation multiplied with what? 3. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Okay. Yeah. So 4 4s are 16p plus, you need to understand one point here. Anyway, 5 4s are 20. Sorry. First equation, second equation is multiplied with what? 5, right? Am I right? First equation multiplied with 4, second equation multiplied with 5. Yeah. So 5 4s are 20. Okay. So 32 into 4 here. Here how much? 5 5s are 25p plus, 5 4s are again 20e. Okay, which is equals to 31 into 5. Okay, 31 into 5. So if you calculate this, anyway, let's say this is second equation and this is first equation. Do 2 minus 1. what you're going to get here, you will get what here, 9p. Okay, anyway this is going to be cancelled. Okay, but what is here, 31 into 5? 31 into 5 is what, 155. Okay, 155. 32 into 4 is what, 128. 128. So 155 minus 128 is going to be what, guys, 27. So you want a pen that is nothing but 27 by 9, that will give you 3 rupees. So one pen cost is what, guys, 3 rupees. Yeah, this is what I am saying. What is the previous question? Yeah, I want together, but in this question I want only individual thing. When you want individual thing, eliminate the remaining one, get your answer. Okay, eliminate the remaining one, you can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. Okay, next question. Next question. 2 chocolates, 3 milkshakes. Yeah, please write on the next question, everybody. 2 chocolates, 3 milkshakes, and 4 cakes cost 190. 190. 4 chocolates and 8 cakes cost 320. Find the cost of a milkshake. Find the cost of a milkshake. Okay, find the cost of a milkshake. Yeah, your options are 10, 20, 30, cannot be determined. 10, 20, 30 cannot be determined. Pause the video and try to solve it. I hope you done with your answer. Guys, whenever you come across these type of questions, 90% of the 90% of the people, they end up with wrong answer. 90% of the end up with wrong answer. But how to solve this question? Because there are two equations, there are two equations, three variables. Then how can I solve it? You can solve it. Let's look at here. 2 chocolates plus 3 milkshakes plus 4 cakes. 4 cakes. Let me put k as k because already one c is there. Okay, let's take c dash. Why should I this is 190. Next, 4 chocolates and 8 cakes, and 8 cakes is what, guys, 320. Guys, if you closely observe, simply if I multiply with my first equation with 2, what's going to be happen? Look at here. 4c plus 3 milkshakes plus 8c dash, which is equals to 19 twos are 360. Yes or no? 360. Are you getting my point? So let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let's do 1 minus 2. So that's going to be 1 minus 2. If I cancel it, what I'm going to get here? So 3m, which is equals to 40. 3m is equal. I'm sorry, this is what? This is what? 380. So 3m, which is equals to 60. Okay, 60. Then m is equals to what? 20. Then m is equals to what? 20. So the milkshake cost is what, guys? 20. The milkshake cost is what? 20. Okay, so the milkshake cost is what? 20. Okay, so that's how we can get our answer. That's how we can get our answer. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Yeah, so now we'll try to solve the next question. We'll try to solve the next question. Write down. Write down. Write down. If the numerator and the denominator of a fraction both increased by 1, if the numerator and the denominator of a fraction both increased by 1, the fraction becomes 3 by 5. The fraction becomes 3 by 5. If both are decreased by 1, both are decreased by 1, it will become 5 by 9. Become 5 by 9. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Yeah. Let's say fraction is xy. I don't know what is a fraction. Yeah. But what is happening? So, let's say this is a fraction. So, what is happening? If I increased by 1 or decreased by 1, okay, if I increased by 1, the fraction will become 3 by 5. Okay, so if you calculate it, what you're going to get? 5x plus 5, which is equals to 3y plus 3. Okay, so you can write this as 5x plus 2, which is equals to 3y. Okay, but what is happening on the other hand? X minus 1 by y minus 1, which is equals to 5 by 9. Okay, so if you calculate this, 9x minus 9, which is equals to 5y minus 5. So if you rearrange the equation, you will get 9x minus 4, which is equals to 5y. So let's say this is equation 2. Let's say this is equation 1. Okay, now try to solve, these two equations. 5x plus 2 is equals to 3y. 9x minus 4 is equals to 5y. Okay, try to solve this. Okay, so get xy. So if you calculate this, you will get x is equals to 11. Okay, x is equals to 11, and if you substitute 11 in any of the equations, you will get y. So if you calculate y, you will get what here? 19. Okay, you will get what here? You can do it. You can do it. Okay, then the fraction. Then the fraction. Okay, then the fraction will become what? 11 by 19. Then the fraction will become what, guys? 11 by 19. 11 by 19. Okay, 11 by 19. This is one method to solve, these type of questions. What is the other way around? What is the other way around? Guys, definitely that fellow is going to give your options. Okay, let's say this is your option. What he is saying, if you add 1 numerator and denominator, the fraction will become what, guys? 3 by 5. So now this will become 12 by 20. So that is 3 by 5 only, no? Yes, your first logic is satisfied. 11 minus 1 by 19 minus 1. So that will become 10 by 18. So that is nothing but 5 by 9. If I subtract minus 1, it is going to be what? 5 by 9, 5 by 9. Yeah, that's what happening here. Yes or no? So that's what happening. So if you add 1, you will get 3 by 5. If you subtract 1, you will get 5 by 9. Yes, you are getting? Yes. So whenever you come across these type of questions, option verification is very, very important. So whenever you come across these type of questions, please verify the option. Please verify the option. So option verification is very, very important. So this is all about fraction questions. Okay, this is all about what, guys? Fraction questions. So if you're good with your fraction questions, the job is going to be very easy. Trust me. If you are good with option verification, instead of writing all this particular stuff, okay, you can easily get your answer. Okay, easily you can get your answer. Next question. Next question. Please write down next question. Before going to the next question, we need to learn some concept of two digit. Okay, two digit concept. Two digit concept. What is two digit concept? Okay, what is two digit concept? We'll try to understand the two digit concept. Yeah, let's say there is a number 72. Okay, 72 reverse number is what, guys? 27. If I two digit number and its reverse number, if I add a two digit number and its reverse number, what I am getting here? 99. Keep aside. Any two digit number if you take 45, reverse number is what? 54. If you add it again, what you are going to get? 99. We'll take a smaller number, 18. Okay, what is the reverse number? 81. Unfortunately, I am all getting 99. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let's take 75. What is the reverse number? 57. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is what? 12. 132. Okay, guys, my point is this: 99, 132. Okay, 11. Reverse number is also 11. Add, you will get 22. Okay, 32. Reverse number is what? 23. Add it, you are going to get what? 55. So 55, 22, 132, 99, all are what? Multiples of 11s. All are what? Multiples of 11s. Okay, all are what, guys? Multiples of 11s. Okay, all are what? Multiples of 11s. Why I am getting like this? Let's take second scenario. 54 minus this, what is the reverse number? 45. If you subtract it, you will get what? 9. Okay, 72. Okay, what is the reverse number? 27. 27. Subtract it. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is what? 12 minus 7. You will get what? 5. You will get what here? 4. 45. Let's take 54. Okay, 54 is done. So any number you take, so here what you are getting here? 54, 45, you got what? 9. 72, 27, you got what? 45. So 9 and 45 are what? Multiples of what? Multiples of what? Multiples of what? 9. Okay, so the point is this. If you take any two digit number, reverse it and add it, it is a multiple of 11. Okay, reverse it and subtract it is a multiple of what? 9. Okay, why this actually coming to the picture? Okay, so if you want to know that, you should know this point. What is the point is this? Okay, the point here is this. So this is very, very important point. Look at here. So 72. How actually 72 come into the picture? You can write 70 plus 2. 70. How can you write? 10 into 7 plus 2. So that is nothing but, if this is x and this is y, that is nothing but 10x plus y. Okay, 10x plus y. 72. What is reverse number? 27. So this is y and this is x. How 27? 20 plus 7. How 20? 10 into 2 plus 7. That is nothing but 10y plus x. So the point is this. So this is two digit number. This is reverse number. So two digit number. Okay. Okay. And it's reverse number. So this is what? This is what? Two digit form. This is what? Reversed form. Okay. Reversed form. Let's add it. 10x plus x. 11x. 10y plus y. 11y. If you take 11 as common, it's going to be what? X plus y. So the point is this. It's a multiple of what? 11. On the other hand, 10x plus y minus 10y minus x, because I am subtracting 10x minus x, 9x minus 9y. If I took 9 as common, it's going to be, yeah, x minus y, and it's a multiple of what? 9. It's a multiple of what? 9. So the 2 points are very clear. Point number 1, two digit form is 10x plus y. Point number 2, two digit reversed form is 10y plus x. Okay, if I add a two digit number and its reversed number, it is a multiple of 9. Sorry, it is a multiple of 11. So that will become 11 of x plus y. If I subtract a two digit number and its reversed number, it is a multiple of definitely a 9. So you can see so please pause the video and try to grab this particular content. This is very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important while solving the questions. Okay, while solving the question. So simple equations is all about what? Making an equation. So once you're done with your equation, your job is done. Okay, it's all about making an equation. Okay, let's try to solve the questions. Okay, please write down a question. Please write down a question. Okay, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. Okay, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. 12. If 36 is subtracted from that number, if 36 is subtracted from that number, the digits get reversed. The digits get reversed. The digits get reversed. If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. Find the number. Find the number. Okay, find the number. Your options are, 66, 75, 93, 84. Okay, 93 and 84. Sum of the digits of a number is 12. So x plus y, which is equals to 12. Guys, you need to understand one point. If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. Okay, this is where all your answer. 36 is subtracted from that number. That number means what? A two-digit number. But you know the two-digit number? No. So then what is a two-digit number? Some people try to write like this, xy minus 36, which is equals to yx. This is a stupid thing you are writing. Okay, this is not the way to write it, because xy is not a two-digit form. Then what is a two-digit form? Yeah, what is a two-digit form? Okay, the two-digit form is what? 10x plus y. From this number, I am subtracting 36. Then what I am getting? A reversed number. What is a reversed number? 10y plus x. Okay, so if you rearrange the situation, you will get what? 10x plus y minus 10y minus x, which is equals to 36. So you will get what? 9x minus 9y, which is equals to 36. If you take 9 as common, x minus y is equals to 36. Then x minus y is equals to 4. X plus y is equals to 12. X minus y is equals to 4. If I add two equation, 2x is equals to what? 16. When 2x is equals to 16, x is equals to what? 18. Substitute x value here. So x plus y is equals to 12. Then x is 8, right? So 8 plus y is equals to 12. Then y is equals to what, guys? 4. Then y is equals to what, guys? 4. So the point here is this. So x is, actually the number is what? 10 into x. What is x? 8. Okay, and y. What is y, guys? 4. So 80 and plus 4, the number is what here? 84. The number is what here? 84. Guys, if you are doing like this, you are gone. Okay, if you are doing like this, you are gone, because it will take a lot of time to solve this particular question. Okay, it will take a lot of time to solve this particular question. Okay, so whenever you come across these type of questions, whenever there is a feasibility to solve very easily, then you can apt this method. What is the method? That method is called option verification. Okay, how to verify the option is also not. Okay, how to verify the option is also not. So this is the method one. I hope you understood this. So please pause the video and try to copy this particular thing. We'll go to the second method too. Okay, method 2. Guys, look at here. What are the options I have given? 66, 75, 93, 84. Guys, there are two logics. Sum will be 12. If you look at the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 12. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. So logic 1 is satisfied with every equation. Okay. Now try to look at logic 2. What is the logic 2? Okay. If 36 is subtracted from that number, digits get reversed. Okay. 66 minus 36. Guys, actually reverse number is what? 66, 66 only. But if you subtract 66, how you are going to 66? So this is not your answer. 75 minus 36. Okay, be calm for a moment. 70, this is 30. 70 minus 30 is what? You will get 40 kind of stuff you will get. Okay, but the 75 reverse number is what? 57. How you are going to get 57? 57, there is gap is 18 only. Okay, so this is not your answer. 93. Instead, by going to that question, 93 reverse number is what? 39. If I subtract something from 93, I'll get, okay, 36. Okay, it's 90 30. There is a very gap, you will not get 39. Look at here, 36. If we subtract it, you are getting 48. Yes, look at here, 14 minus 6, you will get 8. 7 minus 3, you will get what? 4. So then the answer for this question is what, guys? 48. Answer for this question is what? 48. So the point is this. The point is very simple. Okay, so whenever you come across 2 digits type of questions, you have to do with the option verification. That is, that is the best way to answer it. There is there are more than 2 to 3 logic. You can go to our regular method so that you can answer your questions. Okay, you can answer your questions. Okay, chalo, let's go to the next question. Next question, please write down. Please write down. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 10. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 10. 10. 10. If 18 is added to that number, digits get reversed. Okay, digits get reversed, then find the number. Digits get reversed, then find the number. Yeah. In the same note, what do you want now? You want your options. First option, 55. Second option, let's say 46. Third option, 64. Fourth option, 91. Okay, general way you can do it. X plus y is equals to 10. You can do it. Okay, but how to do with the option verification is a point. 55 is ruled out. Why 55 is ruled out? Sum of the digits is 10. Every option is satisfying with that option. What is the next option? If something is added, the digits are going to be getting reversed. Guys, look at here, 55. If I add anything, you will not get 55. So this is not your answer, because 55 reverse number is what? 55. Look at here, 91. If I add something to 91, I'll get more than 91. But how I am going to get 19? So this is also ruled out. So I have, clash between 46 and 64. Again, 46, if I add something to 64, I'm sorry, 64, you'll get more than 64. No, how we are going to get 46? So definitely I can say my answer is this without solving. But, you can add 46 plus 18, 6 plus 4. 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 64. Yes, 46 plus 18 is what? 64. Then how we are going to solve, these type of questions. Guys, trust me, if you want to good in these type of particular question, you should good at, guys, you should good at, option verification kind of stuff. Okay, option verification kind of stuff. Okay, chalo, next question. Please write down next question. If a 2-digit number, in a 2-digit number, the digits are differ by 2. 10 times the number exceeds 5 times the sum of the number formed by reversing its digits. I am repeating one more time. In a two-digit number, the digits differ by 2. 10 times the number exceeds 5 times the sum of the number formed by reversing its digits, and the sum of the digits by 90. Find the number. Okay, find the number. Guys, whenever you have this much of varieties, don't try to solve the way of don't try to solve you know option verification method. Yeah, let's say, let let the number let the number be xy. Hence the value of the number is going to be what, guys? 10x plus y. And in the question only, he's saying the numbers are differ by 2. So x minus y is equals to 2, or y minus x is equals to 2. He didn't mention. Okay, let's say this is the equation 1, any of the one. Okay, but what he's saying, 10 times of 10x plus y, 10 times of the number, this is a number, exceeds difference. Okay, 5 times, okay, the sum of the number formed by reversing. What is the reverse number? 10y plus x. Okay, reversing the digits and sum of the digits, and sum of the digits means what? X plus y. See how much logic is involved. That's what I'm trying to tell guys. Trust me, this is equals to 90. If you look at the question, 10 times the number exceeds, 10 times of the number exceeds means a difference, 5 times the sum of the number formed by reversing the digits, and sum of the digits by 90. So 10 times of the number and 5 times of this particular sum, difference is 90. So if you calculate this, you will get 90x minus 45y, which is equals to 90. So again if you take, you can write like this, 2x y, because you can take 45 common, so 45 will go to this side. 45 how many times? 2 times. Okay, so x minus y is equals to this, but 2x minus x plus or minus 2, which is equals to 2. So from this you can write x is equals to what? 4 or 0. Okay, but x cannot be 0. Okay, then x is equals to what, guys? 4 only, because x is 0, 10x plus y, then it's going to be a single digit, right? So x cannot be 0. Okay, substitute x value there, you will get y is equals to 6. So then the number is what? xy, then it's going to be 46. It's going to be what? 46. It's going to be what, guys? 46. Okay, then answer for this question is what? 46. Okay, 46. Yeah, 46. Okay, next question. Please write down the next question. Yeah, write down. In a zoo, there are some rabbits and peacocks. Total number of legs are total number of legs are 192 and total number of heads are 60 and total number of heads are 60. Total number of heads are what? 60. Find the number of rabbits in a zoo. Find the number of rabbits in a zoo. Okay, find the number of rabbits in a zoo. Okay, find the number of rabbits in a zoo. Guys, total number of animals are what? 60. I want rabbits. So let me take rabbit is equals to R. So remaining could be what? Yeah, 60 minus R. So these are rabbits and these are what? Peacocks. Guys, a rabbit will have how many legs? 4. Peacock will have how many legs? 2. What is the total number of legs? 192. Okay, so R. So rabbit will have 4 legs, no? So 4R plus peacocks will have 2. So 2 into 60 minus R. The total number of legs are how many? 192. Okay, so 4R plus 120 minus 2R, which is equals to 192. So 2R, which is equals to 72, then R is equals to what, guys? 36. So number of rabbits are what? 36. When the number of rabbits are 36, then the peacocks are going to be 24 because 36 plus 24 only 60. Okay, so this is method 1. What is method 2? Yeah, you can do it like this, making a 2 equations. Rabbit plus peacock, which is equals to 60. Rabbit will have 4 legs. Peacock will have 2 legs. Okay, total is how much, guys? 192. So first equation multiply with 2. What you're going to get? 2R plus 2P, which is equals to 120. Okay, so if you subtract it, okay, how much you're going to get? 2R. This is going to be cancelled, which is equals to 72. Then R is equals to what, guys? 36. R is equals to what? 36. Okay, R is equals to what, guys? 36. This is how you can end your answer. When the rabbits are 36, then peacocks are going to be what? Then peacocks are going to be what, guys? Yeah. When the rabbits are 36, then peacocks are going to be 24. 24. This is how you can get your answer. You can get your answer. So this is all about simple equations. Okay, so in simple equations the only agenda is this. Okay, you need to make an equation, guys. If you make an equation, your job is done. Okay, if you make an equation, your job is done. Okay, if you don't make an equation, you are not going to get it. Okay, so make an equation, your job is done. How to make an equation? So read the sentence properly. Read the sentence properly. So if you done with your reading, make an equation, then you can get your answer very easily. Okay, then you can get your answer very easily. Okay, so this is all about simple equations. Guys, we have not seen quadratic equations questions. In quadratic equations, how we are going to do? We need to find the roots. But trust me, if we are finding the roots, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, it will take a lot of time to calculate to finding the roots. What is the other way around? Okay, we'll see all the ways to figure it out, how to find a quadratic equation. Okay, then we'll go to the application of simple equations. That will be ages. Okay, that will be ages questions. So ages are very, very important. If you took any competitive exam, okay, if you took any competitive exam, ages will come into the picture. Okay, ages will come into the picture. Okay, so we'll do few more questions on this particular concept, so that we can pull off our next class to ages. Right on, we'll do a simple questions. Okay, we'll do simple questions. Right on. Thrice a number is 24 more than thrice a number is 24 more than one third of it. One third of it. Then find the number. Then find the number. Okay, then find the number. Thrice a number okay, thrice a number is, which is equals to 24 more 24 plus one third of it, one third of x. Okay, one third of x. So if you calculate it, so take the LCM, 3 will come this side. So 6x, sorry, 9x, which is equals to 24 into 3 plus x. So when x will come this side, so that will give you 8x, which is equals to 24 into 3. Don't in a hurry to multiply the numbers. Why? This is simply going to cancel. No, 8 how many times? 3 times. Then x is equals to what, guys? 9. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Make an equation. Once you make this an equation, your job is done. Okay, see, let me read one more time. Thrice a number, so 3 times of a number, okay, is, which means equals to 24 more one third of x. Simple. You are able to do this, your job is done. Okay, you are able to do this, your job is done. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate it, friends. Okay, otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate, these type of questions. Okay, so calculate it, you will get it. So x is what we got? 9. X is equals to what? 9. Next question. The sum of two numbers is 18. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 18. The difference of numbers is 4. Find the number. Find the number. Yeah, your options are: first option 11, comma 7. Second option 12, 8. Your third option 16, 2. Your fourth option 8 and 10. Okay, what is the question? The sum will be 18. Sum is 18. Here 18, no, eliminated. Here 18, yes. Here 18, yes. And the next one is what? The difference is what? 4. 11 minus 7 is 4, yes. 16 minus 2 is 4, no. No, then the answer is what? 11 comma 7. 11 comma 7. Okay, 11 comma 7. Next question. Next question. Please write down. Next question. The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator. The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than the numerator. If 1 is added to the denominator, fraction becomes 3/4. Fraction becomes 3/4. 3/4. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Yeah, your options are: option 1, first option 7 by 9. Second option 5 by 7. Next option 11 by 13. And the next one 9 by 11. What is point number 1? Fraction is such that the new what is the 2 more than the numerator? Yes, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Perfect. 1 is added to the denominator. Let's add 1 here. So it's going to be 7 by 10. No, so this is not your answer. So let's go here. 1 is going to be added. So 5 by 8. Further any calculation, it will become what? 3/4. So no, not happening. So but look at here, because why I am not doing this, because 11 by 14 it's not going to be divided. But look at here, so 9 by 12, that will give you what? 3 by 4. So which option? The last option. Okay, the last option. The answer is what? 9 by 11. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what I'm trying to put it in your mind. If you write this in terms of equation, it will take a lot of time to calculate it, friends. Okay, it will take a lot of time to figure it out your answer. So that's why I'm telling you, whenever you come across these type of questions, you please do with the option verification. That is going to be very easy. That is going to be very easy. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, that's how you can end your answer. Yeah, next question. Next question. Next question. A fraction is such that A fraction is such that the numerator is 5 less than the denominator. The numerator is 5 less than the denominator. Also 4 times the numerator. 4 times the numerator is 1 more than the denominator. 4 times of the numerator is 1 more than the denominator. So if you multiply, if you do it 4 times to your numerator, that will become 1 more than the denominator. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. What do you want, guys? You want options 4 by 9. Next option 3 by 8. Next option 2 by 7. Next option 7 by 12. Yeah. Pause the video and try to answer it. Please understand the question. What is the question? A fraction is such that the numerator is 5 less than the denominator. The numerator is 5 less than the denominator. Yes. 4 and 9, 5 is the difference. 3 and 8, 5 is the difference. 2 and 7, 5 is the difference. 7 and 12, 5 is the difference. First option is that is it. Yeah. 4 times the numerator. Yeah, look at here. 4 times. 4 4 is a 16. 4 times the numerator is 1 more than the denominator. How 1 more is? Here is not 1 more. 5 more. So this is not your answer. 4 3 is a 12. So 12, 8 difference is 1. No, this is not your answer. 2 4 is a 8. Yeah, and the denominator is what? 7. The gap is what? 1. So which option, guys? 2 by 7. Which option? 2 by 7. Okay, 2 by 7. Next question. Next question. Next question. Yeah. Shankar has an amount of 7,000 in the denominations 500 and 100. How many 500 notes does he have if he has a total of if he has a total of 22 notes with them, 22 notes with him. Okay, Shankar has an amount of 7,000 in the denominations of 500 rupees. There are 500 notes and 100 notes. How many 500 notes does he have if he has a total number of notes are what? Yeah, if he has a total number of notes are what? 22. So please understand the situation. The total sum is 7,000. Okay, let's the total number of notes are 22. Out of 22, I need to figure it out. Yeah, let's take 500 notes are x. So can I say remaining will be 22 minus x only? Okay, remaining will be what? 22 minus x. Okay, 22 minus x. So 500 notes value is what? Every note will consist of 500. So 500x plus remaining notes value is what? 100. So 122 minus x, which is equals to 7,000. Okay, so this is 500x plus this is 2,200 minus 22x, which is equals to 7,000. Okay, so 500x minus 22x, which is equals to 7,000 minus 2,000. Okay, 7,000 minus 2,200. Okay, 2,200. So 7,000 minus 2,200 will be how much? You will get what? 4,800 here. 500 minus 22 will become what? 478x. Okay, 478x. Yes or no? 478x. Okay, 478x. So from this you have to calculate what x. Okay, you have to calculate what x. I'm sorry, this is not. Yeah, this is not 22x. This is what 100x. No. Yeah, this is what 100x. When this is 100x, so I'm sorry. Yeah, we are doing a mistake. So this is what 100x. Wait a minute. So 100x. Okay. So this is minus 100x. Yeah, 4800. Then it's going to be what? Then it's going to be what? 400. Okay, 400x. Then x is going to be 4800 by 400. Two zeros will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 twelves are. Then x is equals to what? 12. When x is equals to what? So x are what, guys? 500 notes. When 500 notes are 12, okay, when 500 notes are 12, then 100 notes are going to be remaining. What are the remaining? 10. Let me check whether my answer is correct or not. Okay, so let me check whether my answer is correct or not. So 5 1 into 12 into 10. So this is going to be how much, guys? 1000. Okay, this is going to be 12 fives are 60. So this is going to be what? 6000 plus 1000, that will give you 7000. 7000. Again, I am telling this is one way of solving. This is one way of solving. What is the other way around? Definitely that fellow is going to give your options, because all competitive exams, they'll give options. They'll give 12, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, what do you want? 500 notes. Yeah, if 12 are 500, so 12 into 2, 12 into 500, 600. If 12 are 500, remaining is what? 10. So 10 is going to be 100. So that will give you 1000. That will give you what? 7000. Yeah, that's it. Whenever you come across these type of questions, okay, so please try to solve with the option verification. That will help you a lot. Trust me, that will help you a lot. Okay, that will help you a lot. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. Write down. Okay, please write down the next question. Abhi, Bharat, Charan, and Dinesh have a total of 150 with them. Abhi, Bharat, Charan, Dinesh have in a total of 150 with them. Amar has one fourth of the total amount. Amar has one fourth of the total amount. Find the amount with Amar. Find the amount with Amar. Simple. One fourth of the total amount. So one fourth of total amount. So 150 by 4. Simple, guys. 150 by 4. That's going to be what? 37.5. 37.5. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's all about making an equation. It's all about making an equation. Once you make an equation, the job is very easy. Once you make an equation, the job is very easy. Okay, so please try to make the equations to get job easy. Okay, to get job easy. Next question. Yeah, next question. P, Q, and R had a total of 1250 among them. P had P had P had 3/7 of the total share. P had 3/7 of the total share with Q and R. Q and R. Q and R. Find the amount. Find the amount that P had. Find the amount that P had. Yeah. What is saying, guys? P plus Q plus R, which is equals to 1250. Okay, P had what? 3/7 of what Q and R had. But I don't know how Q and R had. Okay, so from first equation, can I write q plus r, which is equals to 1250 minus p? Okay, 1250 minus p. So instead of that, why should I, write all this stuff? So from this, can I write p by q plus r is equals to 3 by 7? 3 7 total, what? 10 parts. 10 parts is equals to only 1250. Then one part is equals to what? 125. Then one part is 125. I want p amount, so p will have three parts, so 3 into 125. Okay, 3 into 125. 3 5 is a 15, 1 carry, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, 3 1s are 7. Simple. 100 into the 300, 3 into 25, 75. Then the answer is what? 375. Then the answer is what, guys? 375. That's how you can end your answer. That's how you can end your answer. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. Whenever you come across simple equations, we have solved so many varieties of questions. Okay. So whenever you come across this particular concept, so please keep in your mind that, okay, make an equation. Once you make an equation, the job is going to be very easy. Otherwise it will take time. So what are the types of questions we have seen? Mainly two-digit questions, okay, and two-digit questions, and fraction questions, and how to make an equation. Okay, how, when there are two variables, how I am going to do, when there are three variables, how I am going to do, these type of stuff we have done here. Okay, so guys, this is very very important to solve. This is very very important to understand here. Equation, make an equation. Okay, read it, form an equation, frame an equation. Okay, okay, then the job is going to be done. So application of this particular topic is what? Ages. So we'll see ages in the next upcoming classes. So we'll see ages in a particular session. Okay, so we'll solve ages. And one more point is, ages is very very important, like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, CAT examination, bank examination, SSC examination. Okay, if you ask me, if some of you might have studied in CBSE, they'll give in 10th class, they'll give questions on this particular concepts. So please be ready with your concepts, that will help you a lot to solve the questions. Okay, that will help you a lot to solve the questions, yeah. So please understand and try to explore your skills on this particular topic called, uh, simple equations, linear equation. Simple equations are nothing but what, guys? Linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? When the highest order of degree is 1, then we call it as what? Linear equation. When the highest order of degree is 2, we call it as what? Quadratic equations. Okay, so this is all about simple equations, guys. Please try to practice few questions, that will help you a lot. Thanks a lot for being in my session. Have a great day. Thank you.